Jai Hind children. In computer class 6, now we are going to read chapter number 9, Introduction to Email. Children, in this chapter we will read about what is email and advantages of email and how to use email and some other features of email. Firstly, childrens, we have to know about what is email. Children, you know, email or electronic mail is a message sent electronically from one computer to another through internet. An ordinary mail takes days or even weeks to reach its destination, but an electronic mail, by the electronic mail we can send our message very quickly, instantly, and very cost effective to use this service. An ordinary mail is much expensive, children, than electronic mail. That's why this service has become one of the most popular service nowadays on the internet platform. Okay, so you have known about what is email. Email is a electronic mail, you know, and it's look like a ordinary mail, but it is cost effective and it's a fast service which is working on internet platform. Children, now we are going to read some advantages of email, why the email services nowadays using very popularly. So what are the advantage? So we are going to advantage first one by one. I will explain all the advantage. So this is a first advantage. These are the four advantage, basic advantages are there. So first is email is a cost effective. Yes, email is a cost effective, children, because we can send to our messages, we can send our messages to many peoples without any cost. Is a free service which is working on internet platform. Secondly, it can reach quickly any part of the world. It can quickly reach. Suppose you want to send a message by a letter, to writing a letter, then it will take time to reach to destination. But if you want to send your message by the email, so definitely it will quickly reach to destination. Third is same message can be sent to many people. Yes, this points we have discussed about it, this point earlier. And fourth one is we can send pictures, document and music files with the messages. It means we can also send our music file, document file and some other files by the using of email services. Okay, now children, we will learn about how to create our own email account. So for the creating your new email account, you will follow these steps. So click to start button, then scroll the Google Chrome. Here already I have on desktop Google Chrome. Now double click on the Google Chrome. The Google Chrome will open. Then you have to put the web address www.gmail.com. okay, because we are going to create email ID on Gmail. Now your Gmail ID will be open, look like this. This is Gmail, like this, only Gmail, this one. Now the Gmail here is create your Google account. If you want to create your new account, so you have to click on it, create your own Google account, create an account. This dialog box will appear after clicking the new account. Here you have to write your name like this, Deepak, then last name, suppose I take my surname Nigam, and here in the second blocks you have to put your email ID, which email ID you want to make. Suppose I write Deepak Nigam 908, it is my ID, and here you have to put the password of your email, okay, and it's a very confidential password. Passwords should not be leaked to anyone, so mind it. To create a password, you have to remember your password like that, and you have to another write password again in this confirm box. And when we click the next button, the system will ask to your phone number, register phone number, and your birth date, and your gender. Okay, after the filling of these details, you will able to create your account. Now look at this message gives giving by the system look like this that is username is taken. So this email ID is already exist on Google account, so you can change your email ID. Okay, clear? Now how to open our Google account after creating your new account. Now first of all, again you open Google, then search Gmail. This time children's because we have created your Gmail account, now we have to click the sign in. Here the sign in, we have to click this and put your new Gmail account. My Gmail account was Deepak Nigam 908, and click on next button like this. Then you have to put the password like this, then click on next button. When we click the next button, it will take few seconds, and Google will try to open my account. So look, my account has been opened. This time this is my account, okay. It will take time. Now look at this. Now this is my Google Gmail account. My email account is open, and after this you can check the email. This is the these are the mails, is inbox and sent email. If you want to check sent email, so click on sent button. You can see the sent email, okay, clear? So after this you can check the your email in inbox and sent button. So next one is viewing email. Okay, so how to view your email? Suppose I want to check this email, so you have to click on this email by mouse, so you can check this email. This mail is from a Zoom account. The Zoom was granted access to your Google account like this. So from this way you can check your email, okay. Now how to send the email to a particular person? So if you want to send to anyone your message by the email, you want to send message, so you have to click the compose button here. So when we click the compose button, this window will be appear, and in two section you have to put the IDs, email ID, and where you want to send your message. Suppose I want to send my message to my another account, like Deepak Nigam 9881 is my other account, and subject is here is subjects. You have to write the subject is trial mail. I want to write, and here is compose box is a main area of the window. Here you want to write any messages. This is a trial message. Okay, I write. Okay, children, if you want to add file, this is a message. If you want to add file and link, so you can choose by this attach file option. When we click the attach file option, the dialog box will appear. Suppose I want to send this chapter 3 PDF, then click on here, then open it. You can see this chapter 3 will try to upload on this email. Just wait. Yes, my chapter 3 PDF file have been uploaded. Then this is time to send. When we click to send button, the sending message will be appear. It means my mail have been sent to particular person. Clear? Okay, so I hope you will understood about this. How can we create an email, how can they see my existing mail, and how can we attach some files through mails. Okay,